Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send a Discord channel message for Google Ads lead. So let's suppose I am running a business and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Google Ads. Now whenever I receive a new lead from my Google Ads, I want to automatically notify my team on Discord channel. So here I completely want to automate this process, as doing this manually will be a very tedious and a time-consuming task. So I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads and Discord. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I receive new leads from my Google Ads, a message will be sent to my team on Discord channel automatically. If you also want to learn such interesting automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Discord channel message for Google Ads leads. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Ads leads and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send Discord channel messages for Google Ads leads, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send a Discord channel message for Google Ads leads, which means whenever there will be a new Google Ads leads, my team will be automatically notified on Discord, which means whenever there will be a new Google Ads leads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive a new lead from my Google Ads and then action says do this, then notify my team on Discord channel. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Google Ads, and then in my trigger event, I have to take this new lead form entry. Now I need to make connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and this is the test lead form that I have created. Now over here in this particular form, I want to add the name, the first name and the last name, phone number, email address, city, and the company name. Now my form is going to appear like this. Now if I scroll down, I can see this lead delivery option which I need to open, and I am going to remove this previously existing URL. Go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL that I am provided in this particular workflow, and then paste that webhook URL over here. Now I need to enter the key. So let's say I'm going to enter a random key. But let's first move back to our workflow, and over here I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my Google Ads. Now if I receive the test response here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have just created is working fine. So moving back to Google Google Ads, and as I have added my webhook URL and the key, now I'm going to click on the send test data. If I receive the test data from Google Ads in my workflow, this means this connection is working fine. So I'm going to click on the send test data, and here the test data sent. Now I need to open my workflow in Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received the test data from Google Ads or not. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly received the response. I have received the company name as the company name. Then I have received the city as Mountain View, the email address as test@example.com. I have received the test phone number, the test first name and last name, which is first name and the last name. And here, as soon as I click on this test data, I have received that response, that test data here in this workflow. This means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, that is successful. Now whenever someone will fill the form, whenever the campaign will be live and someone will fill the form in this Google Ads, I will receive the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive new lead from my Google Ads, I want to notify my team on Discord channel. So here in my action application, I am going to take Discord, and then in my action event, I have to take the send channel message. Now I am going to click on this connect. Here I have already logged in my Discord account, and that's why this was an easy authorization, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in. Now I need to enter the webhook URL and then have to enter all these details. So to get this webhook URL, I have to open my Discord account. So this is my Discord account, and I have created a server by the name PC Integration, and I have then created a channel by the name Google Ads in which I want to notify my team. Now over here in this PC Integration, I have to click on this arrow and then I have to go to the server settings. On the left hand side under this apps, I can see this integrations. I will open this and then I'm going to click on this webhook. Here I have to click on this create webhook, and over here I am provided with this webhook which I need to open, and then I have to name this webhook. So let's say the name of this webhook is Google Ads, and then I have to select my channel. So in this server I have created two channels, general and the Google Ads. So I'm going to select this channel and then I have to click on this save changes. The changes have been saved, and now I need to copy the webhook URL and then paste that webhook URL over here in this field. Now I need to enter the message. So I'm going to write, hello team, we have received new lead from Google Ads. Here are the details: first name, last name, phone, email, city, company name. Please follow up as soon as possible. Thanks, regards. Now over here I have drafted this message in a way that I want to send to my team, and here I am going to enter the details and the value to these fields: first name, last name, phone number, city, company name. And I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now when I click on this first name, I can see this Google Ads, and when I click on this Google Ads, I can see all the response that I've received from there. As I need to enter the first name, I'm going to enter that as this one, the response that I've received, and then I'm going to follow the same process and enter my last name as this one. Now I'm going to follow the same process and enter the phone number that I've received, and then I'm going to enter the email address, which is test@example.com, and then the city name is Mountain View. Now I'm going to enter the company name, which is this one. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now here bot name, bot icon are not required fields, so I am going to skip this for now, and then text to speech. So do I want to enable or disable this? I simply want to select this as default, which is disable, and after adding all these details, I am going to click on the save and send test request. Now here I have received the response, and this response is a positive one, and I should receive a message in my Discord channel. So let's open my Discord account, and here I can see that I have successfully, instantly and automatically received this message. This is the same message that we have just drafted and added all the details. Hello team, we have received new lead from Google Ads. Here are the details. All the details are same, and then please follow up as soon as possible. Thanks, regards. Now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the test data from Google Ads and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we want to notify my team in Discord channel. So I took action application as Discord, where I need to enter the webhook URL. So I created the webhook URL in my Discord and added that webhook URL that I was provided here in this field. Then I drafted the message in a way that I want to send to my team, and then I simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this message being sent to my channel. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.